Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we compare products to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we have an exciting comparison for you.
We'll be looking at two digital cameras that cater to different needs and budgets.
On the left side, we have the AiTechny FHD 4K autofocus vlogging camera, and on the right side, we have the AiTechny digital camera for kids.
The AiTechny digital camera is perfect for vloggers and photography enthusiasts. With a 48-megapixel CMO sensor and 4K Full HD video recording, your memories will come to life with stunning clarity. Plus, the autofocus function ensures sharp and focused shots every time. Both cameras provide impressive zoom capabilities with a 16x digital zoom. This feature gives you versatile framing options, ensuring you never miss a shot. The AiTechny digital camera comes with a 2.8 inches IPS screen, built-in LED light for low-light conditions, a 32GB SD card, and 2 rechargeable batteries.
On the other hand, the AiTechny digital camera for kids is rechargeable and portable, has a 32GB card, 20 unique filters, and anti-shake technology.
Reviewers praise the AiTechny digital camera for its versatility, ability to capture both landscape and portrait shots, various settings for optimal photos, and included accessories like an extra battery.
On the other hand, the AiTechny digital camera for kids is highly recommended for its user-friendly interface, durability, and high-quality photos.
It is perfect for young adventurers and capturing memories on the go.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons and buying guides. Leave a comment below about which camera you prefer and why.
The links to both products are in the description. Stay smart and happy shopping!